So when you're importing images inside of Lightroom, what you can actually do is go ahead and choose a preview mode that you want to use during import as well. So to do that, if I were to go around and click on import, let's say for instance right here, then what happens is that I can go ahead and select out a source. So let's say for example, I'm going to go around into batch right here and select out a particular photo. So you can see that all is actually imported right here. So let's just go around onto my YouTube drive and then uncheck out all and select out this particular image right here. So now once you go ahead and do that, over here in the file handling right here, you can see that there are preview modes that you can select. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that there's different preview modes. Let's say for example, there's minimal preview mode right here. That is, it actually goes ahead and creates out a very small size preview mode. Then you can also go ahead and then go around onto embedded and sidecar right here, just like this. So you can go for embedded and sidecar options, and then you can also go for standard preview, which is the standard preview right here. So minimal is for fast loading, but whenever you are trying to edit in detail, this might not be enough. 1:1 is the full preview, but it does take a bit of time to load. If you want to really speed up the loading time, then you can simply select minimal right here, and you can also build up smart previews right here, and smart previews actually help you out to actually go ahead and then import out previews which are actually workable and is of good quality. So you can simply go ahead and select these images out as you want right here, as you need. So you can simply go ahead and select it, and then you can go ahead and then click on import right here, and what happens is that those images will be imported with the selected quality option. So you can see that smart previews were built for or already existing for 2 photos. So you can see the smart previews right here, just like this. So this is what you have right here, and this is quick previews right here, which does help you to actually go ahead and then access the photos faster. And that is how you can actually go ahead and choose a preview mode during import inside of Adobe Photoshop Lightroom. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.